so good. They don't look good, but they taste really good. I should have made more, but it's just my breakfast. Got my greens, got my protein, a little bit of carbs, and all the flavor. I feel like a really happy kid right now. Great coffee, great breakfast. I was feeling so down just because of the whole movie situation, like I've said many times. But today I was like, it's alright, I need to make the most out of my situation and just enjoy myself and kind of find peace in the chaos. And it's the weekend, so they are not doing any construction outside, which is why I have some peace and quiet. So yeah, Ryan's gonna come down, we're gonna do a workout and maybe some yoga to help calm the nerves. I've been having leg pains and lower back pains. I think it's because of the stress. I think my whole body is just tense. I've been doing some pelvic floor releases, exercises, and it's been really helping. Also fixing my anterior pelvic tilt because I tend to tilt like this way. So I'm trying to like tilt this way a little bit more. I switched back to this Naked Energy pre-workout. It does not have any artificial sweeteners. I find that sucralose and xylitol, any sugar alcohols, make me bloat a lot. Like it makes me gassy. So I've been trying not to have any artificial sweetener in my diet. But you know, stevia is in everything. I'm even cutting out monk fruit just to see if it helps. This pre-workout tastes alright now. Yes, this is my second coffee of the day. Ah! There goes my aesthetic shot. No! Alright. There we go. Ooh! There we go. Wow. It is also July 4th, the weekend, so I invited a couple of people to come over to just chill and do like maybe a veggie barbecue. I'm really excited. I got some veggie sausages, so it'll be fun. It's nice to see everyone, you know. I don't really celebrate July 4th, so this is the most blue thing I have. Like, why not have a little, you know, catch up with everybody, see how everyone's doing. Really excited. Cannot forget sunscreen. I still have to clean up the place before everyone gets here. I'll do that right after I put on my sunscreen. Let me be a woman. Woman. I like Doja's new album. A couple of them are really good. Woman is my favorite so far. It's just a pretty solid album. It's a little bit Ariana-esque to me. Can't forget tinted lip balm. My sunbum. The applicator is not very good because it doesn't go back down, so I can't really twist it up more. But I like the color and the fact that it's SPF. Place is clean. Yeah, usually I don't I mean, I just think I need vacuuming and most of the things kind of fall into place. What I am bad about is doing my laundry after everything is dry. Like, I think that's my worst trait when it comes to tidying up after myself. But after the laundry's done, everything kind of just is better, like feels more in place. Cleaning up just feels so nice. Like sitting on a clean couch, clean floor, everything just feels so calming, and it gives me a lot more space to read or chill or just relax. When everything's all around, I feel like I can't really focus, and especially my work desk, it just starts piling up, and I feel so anxious because one thing after another, paperwork wise, is not done. Also, there's a new book called Pretty Boys, and it's all about the icons that pioneered men in beauty. So it's really cool. It covers a lot of history. It's written by my friend David Yee from Very Good Light, and look who's here. I didn't know he was gonna include me right there. It's pretty cool. I have a 2-page feature on K-beauty when I was really into skincare and kind of like K-beauty makeup. Beauty really helped propel my, I guess, career, because I just loved beauty and the idea of taking care and grooming yourself. And I think at the time, men in America grooming themselves was such a, like, people just don't talk about it. But these days with social media, I think a lot of people are more open to taking care of them inside and out. And grooming is not just reserved for gay men or queer men, you know. It's an act of self-love and self-care, really. I'm proud, and I hope you guys are proud of me, because all of this is possible because of you guys, you know. And I definitely want to get back into showing more of my routines, maybe like my gua sha routine, my in-depth skincare routine, what I do at home, my massages, and my scalp massage and scalp care. I just haven't had the time to sit down and do it just because of everything that's happening in my life. I really want to get back into it, but you know, during the pandemic, I felt like just personally just talking about beauty, like, it didn't resonate very well with me, because there are so many other things going on with the Black Lives Matter movement and the Asian hate. I just felt like beauty was not something I wanted to talk about. As things are calming down a little bit more, I realized that sometimes you guys find a lot of joy and comfort in just a routine, you know, a grounding routine for yourself. So that's all I have to say about that. I'm excited for everyone to come later and just eat some good food and have some good company. It's really needed. Yeah. My friend Ryan gifted me this book also. It's called Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, and I've only just started reading it, but it basically is kind of like a little guidebook on how to keep your anxiety in check when your mind keeps running. So far they have really good tips. The one that I am reading right now, it says, think of the big stuff as just really small stuff that you are turning into big stuff. So many of the things you think of big things are just accumulation of small little things. So instead of trying to achieve one big task, try to achieve like really small tasks, and it'll eventually lead into a big task. I think that's a great sentiment of it. I constantly struggle with wanting to do like a big task, and then I end up not doing anything at all because I get debilitated by my anxiety and just sit in bed and actually do nothing. So trying to reframe that and take a deep breath and do it one day at a time. Hard kombucha. Berry hibiscus.
Yeah, no, you see like the same kind of thing with the snow.
Yeah. Wow, very good.
Oh my god.
Yum.
Wow. Innovation.